Yeah, boss, we got big problems. You better call that robot, that spot show. It's Spot-A-Thon. Can you spot that with 6 cubes of sand? Breaker 19, anybody got a 20 on that spot bot? ETA ASAP, over. Morning again. We're all the time now. Now that it's snowing and crappy. Sorry, I just smashed some morning breakfast there. Gonna go in, gotta put the poles away on our pole truck, and then we're gonna go finish up some of the little tidbits from a rig move. I'm thinking like the invert farm, maybe tank farm. I don't know what's really going on, but I'll find out when I get there for sure. We're just gonna go a little bit west of town here and rig out the existing. And one of our tractors is gonna bomb it over, and then we'll rig it back in. Had to tandem lift with a picker to load a tamper the other day. Well, not me, but it's kind of late in the night. Somebody didn't put the poles away. Gay balls, but oh well. It'll give me some time with the old girl. It's been a while since I've had to put poles away. It's only 0 out right now, so it's not too cold. This is plugged in. Should fire right up like always, cause it's a cat. Look at that. Like nothing. Must have a good block heater, cause all the snow's melted off the hood. tank truck guys here, like you don't need to be here. We've got like next to no room in here as it is. It's pretty tight lease. This guy's gonna be waiting. I don't know. The invert tank is still on the truck. I just spotted down the mat. Pretty sick truck though. I'm liking that. Not bad for a T800. Nelson Bros. They got some cool stuff. But early to the party. Wonder if his buddy's coming behind him too. Over this 400 for this tractor hand here. Just take it up the hill here. Put it down for that guy as he gets going here. Just right up against the shack and somebody's pretty shiny Ford half ton. just take that guy off. Starting to sweat. Keeps raining down from the diesel and there's a bunch of ice on it, so keep charging all the time. It's not waterproof because the door's off the side. So I just wait for a sawdust truck to come in and we'll get out of here and go back to the other end, grab some more invert tank and a mat. So, waiting. We got a tank truck. It's got we're emptying them as we go. So, the empty one, took one over, took one mat over, set that up so they can put into that one. They're kind of like tanking each one here. It's going to be kind of an all-day thing. I think once we get, well, obviously once we get the third one over there, it'll be able to go, but we're gonna have to wait for tank trucks each time because they take about a half an hour, 40 minutes a load. So, time consuming, but paid by the hour, so we'll just chill and collect a paycheck. A little bit on the cramp side in this one though. Missing the extra cab. much bed work, and well, I guess last winter I was doing it in the sow, but it's an automatic, so it's a little bit easier. Well, it's slower, but, and a blizzard to boot. It's supposed to just snow a little bit today, but I guess here is probably the tip of the storm that we didn't get the day before yesterday we were supposed to get. And we're supposed to get like 30 to 60 centimeters or something ridiculous, so I better get the car into the backyard before I get a foot of snow and I won't be able to get it in there. Parker for the winter. But anyways, interesting. Crappy conditions. Not too bad. Visibility was poor. Windy. Swamper was probably taking a beating the most, but and a lot of stuff to move on a tight location makes for it's frustrating sometimes, just that there's so much stuff is in the way. You're gonna do something, everybody's pickup's in the way, and then somebody else is in the way, they move somewhere else, and then you go to do something else, and then they're in the way again. And then waiting for the tank trucks. We had to they'd empty one tank, and then we'd run one mat, one tank over, so they could dump in to that tank, and then we just kind of, that's what we did all day. So it's like about an hour and a bit per tank to get emptied, which is a pain in the butt. And then it was all the gross stuff was pushed up around the invert tank farm, like all the slop off the lease. So, and then you see there, I took multiple steps trying to get in there to get to that one, and I just, if I had a steer and the second set on, it probably would have been fine, but we made it work with just one set. And yeah, this old girl's a little bit out of power. She's a little bit on the slow side. You can't really get it spinning. But the Planets, either the Planets or the auxiliary, it's got a 2-speed and it's got DT hubs, so yeah, they make it work. Doesn't go fast enough backwards for my likings, but all in all, day done. The roads are a sheet of ice. I look like Jake stalled coming down to the highway to the stop sign, and it's a cat, so it doesn't have that powerful a Jake, so well, ISX guys will be sideways. But anyways, I'm gonna hand in my paperwork, go home, have dinner, and ice this knee, because I know tomorrow it's gonna be mad at me. Catch you on the next one.